Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I am doing a review and tutorial for you of Too Faced's Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette. So Too Faced has had many chocolate palettes over the years. They've all been really nice. However, I think I'm the biggest fan of this one. So there's 18 shades. A lot of, yes, chocolate inspired ones. They're all infused with chocolate, so they have a nice scent. These ones also have some fun candy shades, like this blue one here and this lilac purple one as well. They are all pretty nice shades. They're buttery soft, they blend well. Only a couple are a little chalky, like this one, Brownie Points. It's a nice shade, but it can be a little chalky. You gotta blend it a little longer. And majority of the shimmers are beautiful. This one here, a little bit of fallout. Same deal with the blue shade. I'm actually wearing it, but you can work with it. It does require a little bit of cleanup though. However, I think overall, it's a really nice palette. It's got a lot of variety. You can see on my blog a bunch of other different eyeshadow looks I've created using it. But today I'm going to do this one for you using a few of the shimmers. I think those three. I'd say it's worth the price. You can do a lot of different makeup looks with it. You can do more subtle ones with the mattes and the more neutral shades, or you can do something a little more fun with the pops of colors and the shimmers. But yeah, overall, very good palette. A little bit of fallout with some of the shimmers. One or two of the mattes is a little bit chalky, but majority, as I said, very good eyeshadow. So now I will show you how to use this palette. Let's get started. So we have our Too Faced palette, and we're going to start things off with the shade Cake My Day. And just run that all the way through the crease of the eye. Sort of using a windshield wiper motion. Just get it all around there. Rounding it just a tiny bit. Same deal on the other eye. And take a blending brush and start to blend that up and out a little bit. It's okay if you get a tiny bit on the lid of the eye. It's all gonna look cleaned up as we move on. Then take the shade Buttercream, that nice matte one right there, and just run that all over the lid of the eye. Sort of give us a base for the colors we're going to use next. A nice blank canvas. Take the shade I'm the Dessert, that metallic one right there, and put it on the lid of the eye. Focus it more on the middle of the lid. It's okay if it goes a little to the left or right, but our main focus is getting the color saturation on the center of the lid. Next, take the shade Sugar Rush, that lilac purple one there, and start to place that on the inner third of the eyelid. It might take a little time to get the color intensity that you want. This is one of those shimmery shades, like I said in the review, that it's a little powdery, takes a little bit of time, tiny bit of fallout. But just keep building the shade and you'll get there. And like I said, we want it in the inner third of the eyelid. Next, take the shade Bless Your Tart, that pretty blue one right there, and work that onto the outer third of the eyelid. I'm starting tracing out along the lash line and sort of moving up into the eyelid. There's a little bit of fallout with this shade as well, but it's pretty minimal. So just keep building it till you get a third of the lid covered and the shade you want. gonna quick take a liquid eyeliner. This one's from Girlactik. And just run it across my lash line really quick, just to add some extra definition. Also gonna take this pencil liner from Lottie London and run it along my lower waterline, just to add some extra depth. Then take the shade Bitter Half on a flat brush and run that along your lower lash line, just to give the lashes a little bit of a pop. I took Too Faced mascara and I just brushed that on the Next, take a concealer, this one's from Winky Luxe, and just run it under the eyes. Clean up any of the fallout that you got from any of the shimmer shades. This is a really nice concealer. It's from Winky Luxe, like I said. I have a little mini review coming up on it, so keep an eye on social media. Instagram, Facebook. Take a contour and highlight shade. This one's from NYX. Just run that under the cheekbone. And then I'm going to take the highlighter and hit the high points of the face really quick. Then we take a blush. This is my favorite one. You can see how well used it is. From L'Oreal. And just sort of bring everything together in the face. I'm taking a nice lip gloss. This one's from Realher. And just run that on my lips. Just sort of complete the look, pull the whole look together. I like to set things with a powder foundation. This one's from MAC. Sort of keep everything in place. And we have our finished eye makeup look. This one's quite fun. You have a few different colors going on there. But you could also create a more subtle look with some of the shades in there. This one's pretty fun though, and fairly wearable, I would say. And there you have our finished Too Faced Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette makeup look. Really fun palette, really pretty colors. You can create a variety of looks, as I said earlier. If you want to see more eyeshadow looks that you can create with this palette, check out my blog. It is in the description box. You can also find other reviews and tutorials there on the blog, as well as on this YouTube channel. So if you click that little subscribe button, you'll be one of the first to know. But thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.